do running test with combining filters. What is the combining filters? The combinations filter is nothing but we are combining multiple grep tags. So here take us one example. There are 50 test cases. In this case 20 test cases contain smoke and regression tag. So do you want to execute only 20 test cases wherever you are find the combination of smoke and regression? So in that case you have to give and or conditions. Based on that it will be find that matching combination of these two tags, it will be executed. And one thing you have to note it here, this feature was introduced officially the Playwright 1.40 plus version. It will be supported above 1.40 plus version. Okay, so now you can take a look this and or command. This is the syntax of this one. For and command you have to use the bracket, that's it, and or condition you have to use the pipeline symbol. So go back to VS Code. So already we defined tags for the few test cases. Here you can see the test we have, the first test cases we have smoke and regression, and another case also we have smoke and get started, right? So here I want to execute only smoke and regression. So wherever we find the smoke and wherever we find the regression, it will be executed. So in this case what I will do, I just go back to the slide. You have to confirm this pattern of this syntax. I just type as npx playwright test grep. So next what I will do, I just use double quotes. Inside I'm going to be define the tag name. So I have to put up arrow mark. So then I have to do open and close bracket. Inside I am going to be define the tag name, which is I have to put question mark dot equal to. Let us confirm. Okay, equal dot star. Fine. So equal dot star, then you have to define the tag which is smoke. The next tag is regression. Fine. So again I have to open close the same way, question mark equal dot star regression. Fine. So here you can see I'm going to be combine of the smoke and regression. Wherever I find this smoke and regression, those cases I'm going to be execute now. Press enter. So in this case I'm going to be execute the smoke and regression. So where you can define combine of this two tag, that test cases only it will be execute. Make it clear. Okay. So now I'm going to be open this report. Let's see 9324. So now you can see the hash title only has executed. Now what I will do, if you want, I can change it here. I can remove the get starter or else I will add it better. So here regression. Okay. Now whenever using this and condition, it will be execute two test cases. Before it will be execute only one test cases, correct? So let's Control C, CLS clear. So here I'm going to be execute again combination of this smoke and regression. Okay. So now we are expecting two cases will be executed. This hash title and next one is get started link second test stage. Press enter. See, two cases has been executed in the 6 workers in the 3 different browsers. The total count is 6. Okay, I want to show you the report now. You can see smoke regression, smoke get started regression. But anyhow, this test case contains smoke and regression tag. Fine. This is the one way. Okay, now I'm going to be show you OR condition. Let's see. Control C, CLS. So what is the OR condition? Let's go back to the slide. Here you are using pipeline symbol. That's it. Simple. So no need to use any regular expression here. So in that case what I will do, I just type as npx playwright test grep. Here I'm going to be give the tag name inside double quotes. So smoke, pipeline symbol, again another one tag, this one, close with the double quotes. Okay, this is the thing. So again I'm going to be execute two test cases, correct? In this case total 6 count. Fine. So now 6 either or, and this should be match, or means it will be contain also, it will be executed. Fine. Okay, you can see it will be executed. So if you want, I will show you. I can remove this regression. Okay, now I will use the same command. Let's see, only one test will be executed, I think. Sorry, two test cases, because it will be contain smoke here also, right? So here you have to make it the difference here. When I use this pipeline symbol or condition, it will be contained, wherever contained it should be. So when I use this one, let's see, 3 cases, you can find the difference, right? So and it should be matched with this 2 tag. So where you can find this 2 tag, in which test cases that will be executed. So make it clear, again I will repeat this one. Here you can see we are using pipeline symbol, which is OR condition. Wherever find the smoke or regression, either smoke or regression, if any one tag match, it will be executed. So in that case, the smoke tag, it will be matched to 2 test cases. This has title and another one is get started links second test. That's the reason 2 cases has executed, that the total is 6 passed. When we are using AND condition, there should be match this 2 tag under one test cases. So which test cases having both tag, that cases only will be going to be executed. Fine. In that case, you can find only one test cases having these 2 tags, which is smoke and regression. Seeing it, 3 passed, which is only one test cases has executed 3 different browser. Got it? So now what I will do, you can use tag like this separately define the tag, or else you can use inside title itself. How we can do this? Okay. This way also you can define the smoke or regression. No need to use separately tag. Okay, because what is the purpose of we are using the tag? It is easy to identify which tag you are using. If you mention inside title itself, it will be the color differentiate, we do not find easily. That's the reason we are using tag. Otherwise you can use like this way also. If you want, I will execute once again. After this changes, I can use the AND condition, which is smoke and regression. Press enter. Now it will be execute only one test cases, correct? Which is 3. If you want, I will show you the report. Here you can see smoke and regression. The one cases has executed 3 different browser. Got it? So go back to the slide. Here I will tell you this concept of this grep. The grep, it is include or exclude. We can do this using the grep. We can include the test cases which title has been matched the pattern. Invert, which is exclude the test cases. Using AND condition, we can match all the condition. Then only it will be filter. OR condition, either this or that. It will be match anything. It will be execute. This is the combination filter which is comparing the together those tags. Okay.